Hi, Complex fans, and welcome back. I want to talk a little bit more about the baritone saxophone because it is a very unique instrument and actually needs extra care as compared to the other saxophones. Because it's so big is why it has so many problems. A lot of times the baritone saxophone will have damage on it that you just can't see because it's hidden underneath some keys, but can actually cause some very, very big problems for you to play. And baritone saxophone is difficult enough to play. Let's not make it harder because the instrument's not working. Let me show you 2 points on this nice horn here that were covered up by the keys, and the player thought it was them. It's always like that. Here is this beautiful baritone saxophone, and it has 2 of the most common damage points that you see on baritone saxophone. The first one is right here at the top. This is the upper post for the high E key, and you see how this is flattened here? This post sticks out, and if the horn falls over, boom, it gets hit here and pushes this post in, and this post holds the key that covers this tone hole. So if this gets dent, the angle is off, and the key can no longer seal airtight over the tone hole. Now, as we come down the body, you see this wrinkle right here? This is the side C tone hole. This is the B upper stack tone hole. And you see it's a real weak point. So as the instrument falls over, boom, it's going to bend right here. So what this damage does is it not only affects the sealing of the side C tone hole, but also affects the upper stack because now you've got a bend in the body that is not allowing the keys to function properly. Baritone saxophone is difficult enough to play, and if the instrument isn't functioning, you're always going to think first that it's you, and I find that tragic. So if you own a baritone saxophone, or if you're renting or using or whatever, it will benefit you by taking that instrument to the shop and at least getting the information to make sure that the problems that you're having maybe are the instrument and not just you. Thanks very much for watching.